Lemon tree. Yeah. And that's not at a supermarket. There you have it. Yeah. We're going to the beach. To the beach, to the beach, to the beach, to the beach. Yeah, yeah.
It feels warmer around here, actually.
It's a fancy pavement. You know what kind of trees these are? I don't.
Did she give you? That's called a spa. This is a spa shop.
That's a spa shop.
That's like £7 something for that drink. Really? That's not bad.
You know the name of the beach there? I don't. I should have looked up the name. I just won't say nothing.